Let f of x be a quadratic polynomial in x such that f of x is greater than or equal to 0 for all real numbers x. If f of 2 is equal to 0 and f of 4 is equal to 6, then f of minus 2 is equal to is the question. Now let me consider the general form of quadratic equation. F of x should be equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and f of x is greater than or equal to 0 for all real numbers x. That means the graph will be a parabola above the x axis, and is also given f of 2 is equal to 0. That means the graph is centered at x equal to 2. Implies f of 2 minus k is equal to f of 2 plus k. So I am going to put k as 2 here. F of 2 minus 2 is equal to f of 2 plus 2. That is f of 0 equal to f of 4, and we also know that f of 4 is equal to 6. Now if I am going to substitute x equal to 4 in the general form, that is going to give me what? F of 4 will be equal to a 4 square a plus 4b plus 6, which gives me 16a plus 4b plus c to be equal to 6. And if I put f of 0, f of 0 is equal to a 0 square into a plus 0 into b plus c. That means c is equal to f of 0, and f of 0 equal to f of 4, and c will be equal to 6. That means 16a plus 4b plus 6 equal to a 6. 16a plus 4b is equal to 0 is the first equation, and it is given that f of 2 is equal to, that means I am going to put x equal to 2 there, so that is going to give me 4a plus 2b plus c. We know that c value is 6. 6 is equal to 0. That is 4a plus 2b equal to minus 6. Second equation. So I am going to solve first and the 2. Solving the first and the second, solving for a and b, I get a value as 3 by 2 and b value as minus 6, and we require to calculate the value of f of minus 2, which is equal to a 3 by 2 into minus 2 the whole square minus 6 into minus 2 plus 6. So that will be a 3 by 2 into 4 plus 12 plus 6 is going to give me 24. So option B is the answer for this question.